Let's learn the letter A. All the way round, up and down. A is for apple. Let's learn the letter B. Top to bottom, up to the middle and round. B is for ball. Let's learn the letter C. Start at the top, halfway round. C is for cake. Let's learn the letter D. All the way round, up and down. D is for duck. Let's learn the letter E. Across the middle, up and around. E is for elephant. Let's learn the letter F. Draw a small curve at the top, then a straight line down, then cross it. F is for fish. Let's learn the letter G. All the way round, up, down with a curly tail. G is for goat. Let's learn the letter H. Top to bottom, up to the middle and over. H is for horse. Let's learn the letter I. Just a short line down with a dot on top. I is for iguana. Let's learn the letter J. Draw a straight line down, curve it a little at the bottom and add a dot on top. J is for jam. Let's learn the letter K. Top to bottom, up to the middle, kick out, back in, kick down. K is for kitten. Let's learn the letter L. Start at the top, down and curl. L is for lion. Let's learn the letter M. Start with a straight line down, up and over, up and over. M is for monkey. Let's learn the letter N. Draw a straight line down, up to the middle, then a small curve to the right and down. N is for nest. Let's learn the letter O. Start at the top, all the way round. O is for orange. Let's learn the letter P. Draw a straight line down, back up to the top and around. P is for penguin. Let's learn the letter Q. All the way round, up and down with a tail. Q is for quail. Let's learn the letter R. Draw a straight line down, up, then add a small curve to the right. R is for rabbit. Let's learn the letter S. Start with a small curve at the top, then another curve below. S is for sun. Let's learn the letter T. Start at the top, down, curl and cross it. T is for turtle. Let's learn the letter U. Draw a straight line down and around, up and down with a tail. U is for umbrella. Let's learn the letter V. Draw diagonal line down and up. V is for van. Let's learn the letter W. Draw diagonal line down, up, down and up. W is for watch. Let's learn the letter X. Down the slide, start back at the top and cross it. X is for X-ray. Let's learn the letter Y. Down and around, up and down with a curly tail. Y is for yo-yo. Do you like to play with yo-yo? Let's learn the letter Z. Across the top, down through the middle, across the bottom. Z is for zebra.